Welcome to Power Target Trades, the place for people who are serious for success. This channel, I'm going to show you how you should use this channel if you're serious for success. So let's take a look here together, people. All right, we're going to scroll down here, and here I have what's called a created playlist, right? And here you have different links, a little bit about health, okay? And again, when it comes to the stocks, the majority of what people really come down here for, I mean, I do both health and wealth, right? Health and wealth, right? But one of the biggest factors is if you can succeed and gain more financial stability in your life, it makes it easier to focus on your health as well. But I preach both health and wealth. That being said, my created playlist, right? You click on here, there are multiple videos. You know, this list goes on and on and on, okay? But these created videos show you plans that we get into from start to confirmation to the end results. A wealth of great information. Also, subscribe to this YouTube channel. So another thing I want you to do is you should check out my Twitter. So there's a Twitter link here, and my Instagram. The Instagram is more for the health stuff, you know, me doing the workouts and stuff like that. And then Twitter is really where I do most of the stock information, right? We also do live streams. So there's a great information. So for example, on Power Power Trick or Trade Twitter, which will go. So let's go. So if you click on here, we'll bring you to Power Trick or Trade Twitter. And here you have the information of the YouTube. Of course, the YouTube link is over here. So you should get a Twitter account and follow me on Twitter. And basically, see here is called a pinned tweet, okay? See, it says pinned tweet. And that explains how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. It's very simple, especially if you're serious for success, right? You'll simply follow the instructions. You're going to have a Twitter account, of course. You're going to follow the instructions that is explained in the video, and you're going to learn to become a member inside of Power Group Trade, a free group where you can be making 100% gains in options, 200% gains in options, just like you're seeing on all my YouTube videos. Free. People send me gifts because they are happy for the success they get being in my group, as I am the SPY 300 leader. So again, one of the big focuses is seeing what's in my created playlist, watching the videos, studying the videos, coming to my live streams, and then looking to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. I'm here to help you succeed in the markets, something never in a method never done before in the history of the markets, right? Where there is no cost to become a member inside of my group. You will send gifts because you are happy to do so, because you are making money with skill and becoming successful through a process. So I can't stress enough the importance of studying this created playlist that you can find on my YouTube channel. So I hope to see you become a member side of Power Group Trades. Make sure you study, and when you're ready to invest in the market, we do options. I'm glad to help you succeed in the markets. Power Trick or Trade here, people. So at this end of this video, welcome video, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, and you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Then come here and subscribe manually. I hope to help you succeed in the markets. Again, I advise you to study, right? And follow the instructions. You know, I have that pinned tweet on Twitter. I'm here to help you succeed, and you will succeed if you put in the study and you put in the effort for success. I hope to see you inside of Power Group Trades, and welcome to Power Target Trades. Study and improve your life for the best. Power Trick or Trade. Power Target Trades. Power Trick or Trade.